Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 9th of March 2023. Indian equity markets closed on a negative note today. Nifty opened slightly up around 17,772 and then when it started falling. Overall the markets looked negative today. At the time of close Nifty closed below 17,600, which is a good sign. Similarly, Sensex rose 542 points to give a closing of 59,806. Talking about sectors, most of the sectors ended in red, with Nifty Auto emerging as top loser with loss of 1.83%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Tata Steel, Lesson, and Tubro and Apollo Hospitals. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 1.6%. 1.02% and 0.82% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Adani Enterprises, Mahindra and SBI Life. They fell within the range of 2.81% to 4.82% respectively. For the corporate segment, we have 10 investors have picked up 13.65% stake in the engineering, power generation and solutions company through open market transactions, at an average price of 322 rupees per share, amounting to 636 rupees crore. 3 promoters have offloaded 17.7% stake in the company. State Bank of India on Wednesday raised 3,717 Indian rupees crore through an additional Tier 1 bond sale. The bank said this is the third Basel III compliant additional Tier 1, AT1, bond sale, and the latest issue was closed at a coupon rate of 8.25%. The proceeds will be used to augment its additional Tier 1 capital and overall capital base of the bank, and also for strengthening capital adequacy in accordance with RBI guidelines. RAMKRISHNA Forgings has incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary RKFL Engineering Industry to implement the resolution plan under Corporate Insolvency Resolution Process (CIRP) for acquisition of JMT Auto. RKFL Engineering is going to engage in the business of forging, pressing, stamping, and roll forming of metal and powder metallurgy. SBI Life Insurance on Wednesday said the company's board has declared an interim dividend of 2.50 Indian rupees per equity share for the current financial year 2022-23. The company has fixed the 16th of March 2023 as the record date for the purpose of payment of the dividend. ALEMBIC Pharmaceuticals Limited on Wednesday announced that it has received final approval from the U.S. Health Regulatory US FDA, for its abbreviated new drug application of prazosin hydrochloride capsules, which is used for the treatment of hypertension. SEQUENT Scientific has terminated the share purchase agreement to acquire 100% shareholding in Tineta Pharma. It had announced in November 2022 the acquisition of Tineta Pharma. However, now the said transaction has not materialized. For stocks to watch, we have Torrent Power looks good on current market price of 533.35. It can be bought at 530 rupees, keeping target of 600 rupees with stop loss of 465. Infosys looks good on current market price of 1480. It can be bought at 1465 rupees, keeping target of 1570 rupees with stop loss of 1400. Lakshmi Kotspin Limited in daily time frame is trading around 22.5 points with a change of 14.8%, and is trading with a net volume of around 355,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 20.05, which is a good indication for the investors. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 65.14. An RSI of above 50 may indicate that the stock is in overbought region. Shilpa Medicare Limited in daily time frame is trading at 279.8 points with a change of 11.12%, and is trading with a net volume of around 4.79 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 261.6. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 57.54. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.